What's up, y'all? It's Mika Sokisa. Hashtag Beanie Boo TV. I felt like a piece of poop today. Like, I couldn't move. Literally. I was on my bed. That's my bed. And I couldn't move. I was screaming, "Mom, help!" I couldn't move. Like, literally, my legs were stuck. Like, I couldn't, don't blame my hairy legs. They're not too hairy. My legs, I realized that I was picking up my cousin Charlotte, and I just realized, oh my gosh, I just pulled my muscle. Why would I dab? I don't know. Anyway, so I pulled my muscle this morning, and it kind of still hurts. And the little ones, we had a party last night, and they ruined my room. Look at all that. It's horrible. I'm gonna have to pick it up. I don't know. It's just really bad. Anyway, I have a sore throat. And look what they did to Beanie Boo TV. Look. Everything. Here, look. There's a Beanie Boo. There's a Beanie Boo. There's some Beanie Boos. There's a Beanie Boo. I mean, like, they threw it all there. I can walk until there, but I have to step over it. And now I'm walking out from the bedroom. As you can see, I'm watching my own videos. I do a bad job, anyway. Can you please tell me if I'm good or not? But, that pumpkin walk thing, whatever it was, the walk. Here, let me show you. So, okay, the pumpkin walk right there, that I did not post. My mother posted that because she thought it would be funny. I'm mad at her. So, yeah, I'm just chilling on my couch. Hit my head last night and my head hurts. Literally, I actually hit it on the corner of this. Now I'm mad at my... I just get so mad. I was on the floor right here, curled up in a ball, right there. It was just like that. Hold up. I don't want to be like this. Okay, I'm gonna get on the floor and show you guys. I was like this, and I couldn't move, and I was like this, and I was doing this. I was just like that, except I wasn't smiling, and I was crying for help. Sorry for the cough. Anyway, so I was just on the floor. I was like this. I was like, and I felt like I was going to die, literally. I was just on the floor, lying like, oh God, lying like this, and I was like, and it was touching my head because that's exactly where I was. And someone told me, how do you cure hiccups? Because I just got them. That's embarrassing. I think I just did it. Oh, there it goes. So now I feel like I'm really gonna die from hiccups. Oh gosh. So I'm just watching my own vids. I hate my tongue. And I hate my hiccups. So, bye. Bye.